Okay, so let's have a look at this question that I asked you to do yesterday, page 158, question 12. So you were given, there was A, B, C, D, E, F, G paper airplanes, and then they were thrown, and the distance that they went after they were thrown were measured. So airplane A went 188, B went 200, C 250, etc. And the first question asks us to find the median distance that the airplanes traveled. So remember, the median is the middle number, but it's really important when you're finding the median, the numbers have to be listed in order from lowest to highest. So I had to write out these numbers again and put the smallest one first, which was 30, then 188, 200, 250, 302, 330, and 380. So there's 7 numbers there. And then so the median will be the middle number, so it'll be 250 is the median. You can see, and it's kind of because there's 3 to this side of it and there's 3 to this side of it, so that has to be in the middle. So the median is equals 250. Then the second question asks us to find the mean distance. So to find the mean distance, we just add them all up. So we're going to add 188 plus 200 plus 250 plus 30 plus 380, 330 plus 302, and divide by the amount of numbers. So it's because we don't, it's not like we don't have to do it this time, this times this times this, because we've just got letters up here. So we add them all up, and when I add them all up, I will get 200, 1680, 16800. Yes, divide that by 7, and if I divide that by 7, because there's 7 numbers, I'll get 7 into 16 goes twice, 2 over 7 to 240. I'll get 240. So the mean distance is 240. The next question asks us, it says that airplane D is thrown again, and the distance is travelled is measured and recorded in place of the original measurement. So this one we throw it again because it was only 30. So it was thrown again, and the distance was recorded. And after this, it says the median remains unchanged. So if the median remains unchanged, that means that the new distance that is travelled, it must be still less than 250, because the median remains unchanged. So it must be still down here somewhere. It must be one in this range between 30 or between 0 and 250, because the median remains unchanged. What it says, and the mean is now equal to the median. So the median remained unchanged after it, and the mean is now equal to the median. So we don't know what distance this one flew this time. So we just say the distance that one flew, we call it x. So the first one, A, still flew 188. 188 plus 200 plus 250 plus D was thrown again. So we say it flew a distance of x plus 380 plus 330 plus 302. Divide all that by 7, and it says in this question that the mean is now equal to the median. So the median is still 250. So we set that equal to 250, and then I rearrange to find out what x is. So I'm going to have to I'll add up all the numbers here, simplify the top, so I get x plus, and then I get 1650 all over 7, and that's equal to 250. Get rid of the fraction by multiplying both sides by 7. So 7 times all of that equals 7 times all of that. So these 7s will go, and I'm left with x plus 1650 is equal to 1750. And then to find x, I just take 1650 from both sides. So 1750 minus 1650, which gives me x is equal to 100. And then the last question then says, what's it say? It says, what is the minimum distance that aeroplane D would need to have travelled in order for the median to have changed? Well, here's the median. So at the moment, airplane D travelled 30. Okay, when we threw it again, it travelled a different distance, and we have to find out how much must it have travelled if that was to change, if the median was to change. So if the median was to change, the median 250 can't be the fourth number anymore. So it must have gone more than 250. So the minimum distance would be more than 250, or 251 if you want to keep it as a whole number, but anything more than 250.